Today, I'm going to make 2 pairs of earrings, and hopefully they'll work up fairly quick. So let's get started. You'll need wire cutters, possibly, round nose, and some of these, and they don't have teeth in them. Okay. And these are head pins. They've got a head on them. And you want to try your beads on them first. Sometimes you have to put a seed bead on to keep your beads from falling off, depending on how big the holes are drilled. And well, and then sometimes you can't find the hole. Oh, I dropped it. There. I'll get them stringed up. There. I only had 4 of these beads. I don't even know what they are. They were in a bowl that, not a bowl, but a container that I had beads stuck in. So they must have been left over from something. Most of them I have labeled, and there's a few that are like odds and ends that I must have used for something. And you make a loop like that. Go around. If your wire's too short, clip it, but get it close to the top so your beads don't move up and down. We just need a little bit to wrap around. And if we have any extra, we'll cut it off. Oh, grabbed the wrong thing. It's talking about cutting it off, and then you'll use either these or some with points on it. I like the curve because that way. Let's fix that. Turn it. Oh, I don't think I turned it. Let's get some finer tip. These are tweezer tipped ones. And I found them at Harbor Freight. Been meaning to go back and get me another pair. Excuse me. Alright. Now, let's do the other one. Hold it. Turn it. Go around. If your wire's soft enough, you can do it with your fingers, but this one, I mean, it'll go so far, but then you get to where you've got resistance. And you need to use some pliers. we're going to do hang our ear wires. Right now it's summertime here. What time of year is it where you're at? Because I don't know when I'm going to post this. We're in July right now. There's one ear wire on. And you can make your own ear wires. They're not that hard. There's another one. At the end of this, I'll show you how to make your own ear wires. But I've only got copper wire, so there's that one. Okay, now we've got that one done. Let's start on the next one. I'm gonna switch out what I was doing. I'm gonna put a black one. Then I'm going to put one of these little tiny seed beads on it. See it? Because, see the hole here? I want something that will at least be closer to sitting on that hole. Maybe hide it a little bit and put a crystal on. It's gonna look like that, which I don't know if I like it or not. I'll turn that. Where's our hole at? I had to pick the darkest beads. Our hole. Don't really like that, but what do y'all think? Give it up. I'm just gonna make it and see what it looks like. And it's different. I covered the hole. It ain't the prettiest thing in the world, but I keep thinking I've cut it, but it's not going through. There. Well, somebody might have some of those, and I'm just going to leave this up. I don't know. Somebody might have some of those and not know what to do with them. So maybe you can make earrings out of them. Whether they look good or not, I don't know. Or bend that up to hide the hole. So we'll bend it like that. Go through the hole. Hide the hole. I guess you can put a dangle hanging off of it. That might have made it look better. I don't have a dangle here to show you. Well, I have a bead. Put it hanging off of right there. That. And where's our round nose? We'll just go with these. They don't look too bad. That wire's harder than the other one. I twisted the other one by hand. This one feels like steel. Gosh. Good thing I had my finger over that. Yeah, I didn't realize those were offset. I thought they were drilled end to end, but they are. They're just offset. So there you have 2 sets of earrings. These are offset, so if you have any beads like that, that's the idea to do. Maybe put a dangle here in between this and the, but you'd have to do just one little loop, a little fine loop. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day and rest of your week. And I flipped that one over. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all be safe out there. Bye-bye.